Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to embed a Google Maps widget on Webflow. If you want to display your business location or an interactive map on your website, this tutorial is for you. We will walk you through everything you need to do to add a map to your Webflow site. First, we need to go to Google Maps. Open a new tab and type Google Maps in the search bar. Then, click on Google Maps to open it. Now, we need to choose the location we want to embed. Select your location, then click the Share button. From here, we can either copy the link or get the Embed map code. If we want to use HTML, that depends on our needs. But for the easiest option, let's just copy the link. Next, we go to Webflow so we can paste our embedded map. To add it, click the Add Elements button and then choose either the link or the embed option, depending on what we prefer. For this example, let's go with the link block. Once we have created the link block, drag it onto the page. Then click the gear icon and paste the URL so the map gets embedded. We can also set it to open in a new tab if we want. Just enable that option if preferred. Once we are done, click to confirm. We will then see the map appear on the page. We can also add a map element using an API key. Just scroll down until we see the Maps option. From here, we can add a map and customize it directly. As we can see, there are several ways to adjust how the map looks and behaves. All we need to do is connect it using an API key. This lets us display Google Maps by linking our account. Just click the arrow and then connect the API with Google Maps. Once connected, we can integrate Google Maps directly without needing to embed anything manually. This method makes it simple to add a Google Maps widget or embed code into our Webflow site. It gives us full control over how the map appears and where it sits on the page. And that's it. Now we know how to embed a Google Maps widget on Webflow.